Hello, in front of me I've got SteelSeries Aerox 9. In this video I'll show you how to check battery level of your mouse. During use, the mouse will flash red when 5% or less battery remains. When turning on or waking from sleep, the mouse will flash a color to indicate remaining battery level. Red from 0 to 5%, yellow from 6 to 10%, green from 11 to 100%. You can also check battery level by going to Bluetooth settings on your PC or by going to SteelSeries engine. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.